Sorry, I had a little burp there. You probably come loose. Come on! Be not AFK. Squirrel. God, I just dropped it. Come on. Oh, you're back. Okay, let's play. Yeah. No, not Sky. We're playing Bridge. That was actually perfect timing. I don't know how I did that, why I did that. Yeah, I think I'm weird. Bye, have a great day. For some people, I try to break the rules because it's just fun between practice. Oh my god, that was really close. To the park, go. To the park, go. Go. To the park, go. Oh, you scored. Oh, thank you. Thanks. No thanks. I'm looking down at my edits right now. It's so much. There's so much edits. I gotta just like split. And there's a cut right there. And there's a cut right there. And another one right here. And another one right here. Oh no. Bruh. I was one block off. Yeah, I'm about to run off. I don't care, buddy. Sound effect. No. I put the weirdest sound effect in ever. Bro, I put the weirdest. When I clutch, I put the weirdest sound effect in ever. Bruh. That was kind of hard. Yeah, that was kind of hard. Hey, good work. Yeah.